Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm doing another Lego Polybag build-along, and in this case, it's Polybag 30010, and this is the Fire Chief. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing and clicking that little bell thing to turn on notifications, because I am planning on doing one of these build-alongs every day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, please think about subscribing. Now, also, if you're interested in this particular set and you want to build along with me, or you just want to find information on it, I've included links in the description for where you can find this set on Amazon and also on Bricklink. And I've also included a brick set link for this particular set if you just want information on it. Alright, so first of all, let's put together our Fire Chief. What is that? Oh. Alright, let's put together our Fire Chief first of all. So, let's see. That's kind of an interesting looking dude. Alright. And that, and that. And just one expression for our Fire Chief. He's super happy. I'm guessing he is down with putting out the fires when it comes to stuff like that. And we got our fire hat, like so. Kind of a neat looking hat. Not bad. So here's our Fire Chief. Now let's put together the, I don't know what you'd call it, this little fire vehicle. Not a whole lot to it, really. That's one thing I have noticed with these city sets, is they are, that's weird. This has an odd, I don't know if y'all can tell or not, this bottom is kind of odd. Will it fit on the top of one? Okay. It'll still fit, but it's like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got like kind of slanted pieces. Alright, so 1 and 2. That takes care of that. And then this goes on the front. I'm guessing these are going to be the bumpers, basically. Bumper on the front and a bumper on the back. And then 2 gray 2x1s. Like so. Alright, so that gets us to there. And now we add this and this, like so. And this goes here. And then we got a steering wheel. The steering wheel. And some little cheese wedges for the front. I'm going to pop the steering wheel off to make this a little bit more accessible. Like so. So we got that and that. And then we're going to add some blue lights to the back. And these are just cheese wedges. The translucent blue cheese wedges that seem fairly universal when it comes to the police and fire for the Lego City. Like so. So that gets us to here. Now, okay, I wasn't expecting this. So we have the arm connected here, like so. And we're going to take this, and this is going to be, I'm guessing, a water shooting nozzle thing. maybe a hose, and I guess this is like a chainsaw body or something like that. Alright, so this goes in here, like so. And so, got that. So the firefighter can stand up here and use it if he's so inclined. And then we pop on some wheels. Alright. One thing I am enjoying with the city stuff is I like all these big wheels. It feels like, you know, there have been a couple of the city things that have had, the city polybags, that have had like the little crappy wheels. But these are, I like the bigger wheels with these little vehicles. I don't know, it makes them look more rugged and off-road type things. Alright, so if we pop these on, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that doesn't look too bad. There's one thing I'm curious about though. Can he drive with his hat on? Let's see. Yeah, okay, so he can. He can fit as the driver as well. So he can drive his vehicle and have the nozzle on back, or he can stand up and use it to put out fires. Well, that's kind of cool. I like that. Not bad. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions for any polybags you'd like me to take a look at, let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day. Oh, and here are your extra pieces.